Tabasco sauce. About to do a tablespoon of Tabasco.
Show us the tablespoon, dude. Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna pour it over the edge.
Let's see.
I'm kind of scared right now because I'm gonna be in pain for a couple hours.
You sure you want to do this?
No. And I'm a daredevil.
Okay, ready?
Pray for me.
Set.
I want to do this.
Go.
I really don't want to do this. Okay. I'm scared.
Don't be a pussy. Come on.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go get me water! That was the Tabasco challenge.
Fail.